Hi guys, so today I am going to be showing you how to fix desktop icons not showing, being too big, and I'm just going to show you some stuff, okay? It's all in the general same area and they're not too hard to do both of them at once if you have that problem. So first off, what you want to do is, I don't think you can touch your apps from here. You can't even select anything. What you want to do is you want to right click. If you can't see, but if you can see, just right click on your normal desktop. You want to go to view, and it's that simple. So large icons is what I have it on now, but what I'm going to do first is down here for the people that can't see their desktop, you just click show desktop icons. There you go, there's your stuff. And then to fix this, look at small icons is not the normal one. The normal one is medium icons. And also, let's see, if you also have the problem where it's aligned to grid and you don't want that, or if it's just placing differently than how it was before, just turn that off. And auto arrange icons, if you're weird, do that. Whatever, guys, just ignore that. I'm sure it's fine. But that's basically how you guys do that. Now I'm gonna have to sort these again, so oh my god. Alright, bye guys. Very annoying.